Proud to be an Indian. Plenty of education, plenty of experience, plenty of teaching capabilities of India made me to gain international experience of civil engineering, electrical engineering, telecommunication, and MEP. My experience started from pre-qualification, generation of inquiries, pricing capabilities, procurement and a wide range of experience with working with many manufacturers internationally from all over the world, from Europe, from America, from Africa, from many places, and supplied to many government departments and private organizations. And complete installation knowledge of many items. ISO certified. I'm a ISO management representative. I have been approved by Beru Veritas Al-Bawarti Group. I qualified, I passed, I got a certificate, and I was a part of main ISO coordination works and management representation, auditing and other things, which is most important to know the complete procedures of a company, because my company was a technical engineering company, so I was involved in all the procedures, how to maintain the procedures, how to audit the procedures, and how to streamline the procedures according to ISO requirements. And well versed in stock and sell market. I have been in the trading. I worked in trading companies. For big companies, a branch manager. I have good experience in stock and sell, in project sale, and in specification sales. I have also been involved in manufacturing of various items, electrical items, various electrical items. I have gone for many inspections of civil items. I have seen in the factory how the items are made. I have visited many electrical factories, all how the product is made. I have been in many procurement deals. Every product I deal with has a wide turnovers. Like if you say in electrical, I have very good experience in cables, from low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage, extra high voltage, fiber optic cables, control cables, rubber cable, flexible cable, LSF cable, FRLS cable, fire rated cables, special cable, instrumentation cables, pilot cables, cable joints and terminations. It's for cable joint from LV up to 220 kV, cable joints, termination and other thing, and transformers, 50 MVA, 50 MVA, 20 MVA, 120 MVA, 240 MVA. Great experience in transformers. Switchgear from LV 11 kV, 22 kV, 33 kV, 66 kV, 132 kV. I've been involved in the switchgear. And then package outdoor substation, 33 bar 11 kV, package outdoor substation, 11 bar 0.4 kV package substations. I have been into the, even I was involved in the manufacturing of substations. I was there in how the substation is manufactured, how the transformer, how the switchgear, and how the transformer, switchgear, 11 kV and 33 kV, and transformer, how it is built, how it is interconnected. I was a part of manufacturing. I've seen myself. I have supervised the manufacturing of LV panels, switchboards, lightings, street lights. So the people have only certain experience, but for me, I have civil, electrical, telecommunication, and MEP, wiring and accessories. I have been as a branch manager for a company where I used to sell lots of wiring accessories, cable accessories, earthing materials, feeder pillars. As I told you, I was also involved in the manufacturing of feeder pillars, ringmain units, many ringmain units, generators, street lighting poles, lanterns, control panels, solar panel, monitoring system, all this. And then overhead line works, wooden poles, accessories, steel structures, insulators, outdoor termination, stay set, conductor, vertical mounting switches, pole mounted transformers, lighting arresters, earth wire, number plate, danger plate, all accessories, so many items for overhead line have been, including the tower, conductor, stringing and everything. And then if you talk about the silicon rubber insulators, have been involved in that, in buying and installing them, lighting arresters, warning lights, OPGW cable, and different type of poles, different size of poles, even steel poles for the overhead line works. Telecommunication, I have been involved in GSM towers, big towers, 120 meter, 140 meter towers, monopoles, fiber optic cables, termination cubicles, receivers and transmitters, and different communication towers. I was also involved in marshalling kiosk, remote terminal units, UPS, DC systems, and then capacitor panels, banks, GRP cable tray, GRP, glass reinforced plastic products, enclosures, indoor and outdoor lightings, firefighting items. In civil, I was also very active in civil, like full road works, asphalt works, access roads, interlock tiles, ducts, drilling under the roads, backfilling of areas, earth cutting, precast foundation, cast-in foundation, curbstones, subcar filling, dewatering works, sand dune removals and leveling, safety barriers, footbridges, soil testing, working platforms for overhead line. When you work on overhead line, you make platforms, civil platforms, fencing, different types of fencing, the boundary walls, and then drains, manhole and covers, concrete towers, piping, building. Of course, I was very good in substations, and I was one of the main important pricing man. Concluded a big TV station in Abu Dhabi. It was priced by me and executed. I was part of execution, that type of work. So a huge civil experience. And if you see, other than maintenance of electrical items, civil items, big projects we have done, many jobs we have done. So much of experience, civil, electrical, telecommunication, and MEP. With such experience, with higher voltages in electrical, India is the place where you can develop and develop and develop, and you can reach the heights. I'm sure, because India has such capabilities where you can that experience which I have, I can make many big projects, which is the amounts are just endless. I'm sure when we are in India, we are developing. India is a place where to develop, and experience like me, I'm sure it will make me a perfect candidate in the business of Indian territory in many places, and we will succeed, and we will do a lot of works in India. So India, proud to be an Indian always, so getting such experience and working with all over the world, which is so beautiful. Jai Hind.